G'day guys, just at home today getting some stuff sorted for the homestead. Got an IBC here that we're giving a wee tidy up. It's had some sort of, I can't remember what it was, some sort of acid in it, but it's been sitting around for years. I got it for next to nothing. I just made a wee donation to take it away. So let's see how we're cleaning this one up, eh? So it's formic acid. Fortunately my water blaster's seen better days and she's not working. I might have to fix the switch inside of that, but we won't be using that today. This puppy here's doing the trick. Set onto that. Enough pressure there. So this is before, this is after. That is all soaking in there. That's just water, and I've put a little bit of degreaser in there as well. So I'm going to let that soak that way and rotate it 90 degrees, and then I can clean that surface like I did that one, and then move on to the next surface. Also, when buying or looking for IBCs, if you go for a food grade one, you're not really going to have to go through this process. So it's a bonus. You do pay a lot more for those. Here, like where I am, it's at least minimum of 120 bucks. For ours, we made a token offer of 20 bucks. So, but it's a little bit of extra work to go into it. See if you can check the chemicals as well that are in it if it is not food grade. Preferably it's a water soluble, not oil based. If it's oil based, you might struggle to get it good for water and feeding animals and watering plants, crops, etc. Soupy. Need back up. Yeah. Scrubbing down pretty bloody well. Heaps easier. Ooh, got basically 2.5 sides to go. Pretty much done, team. What we really need to do is flush the rest of that out. All loaded up and ready to go. Okay, so after a good 2 or 3 hours of bloody doing that, you definitely need these. Broken broom and a broken hand brush. Made things a lot easier. And you definitely need some form of soap or degreaser just to help scrub away some of those things that are on there real good. And there's no way the hose would have got it. Maybe a water blaster, but hey, if you don't have a water blaster, just get a bloody hand brush. So yeah, save yourself $100 or so and clean it out yourself. Whew, that's a lot better. Tidy myself up a bit. So what we'll do now is I'll get that out to the section, hook it up to the water tank and give it a good flush out, get any remaining rubbish that's in there, then we'll probably use that for trees of growing our orchard. Thanks for watching, team. See you next time.